Hey guys, my name's Matt, and if you're looking for something fun and free to do by yourself or with your kids in Okinawa, this is a cool place to go. I believe it's called the Okinawa Mini Zoo, and it's completely free to enter. And today we're gonna walk around the zoo, and I'm gonna show you guys what kind of animals they have, what kind of stuff you could do, and what to expect here. So it should be pretty entertaining. Right here, there's a parrot, and another parrot, and a goat back there, and it looks like we can go this direction, so let's just start walking. Start walking into this zoo. Right away, this place is actually really pretty looking. Everywhere around me, just at the entrance, is just waterfalls and everything's decorated. You can see on the sides they have all these fake plants and fake statues of animals and stuff. There's waterfalls everywhere. It's very pretty. And there's a giant fake frog right there and a giant fake crocodile. They have cute fake Pikachus too. Look at, he's so cute, his little nose, and there's another one. All right, we're gonna start going down the steps here right at the entrance. And along the sides, you'll see that there's water all over. It's very serene, and it's raining today too, so. He's looking right at me. Hey there, buddy. Hi. Hi. This place is super forested, guys. As you can see, I'm just walking through all this foliage and stuff, and it looks really nice, honestly. Look, they have these really tall trees. There's a donkey. Look, he's got his tongue sticking out too. Little goat, it's a baby goat, and a mama goat. He's licking my hand, my little baby goat. There's Billy. He's in his food and he's peeing. You're peeing. Monkey friend. Hey there, buddy. I do not know what this is, but it looks really cool. It's got such a tiny face. Look how small his face is. So I'm in the gift shop. It looks like they have cool little chocolates and a lot of little toys and stuff. I highly recommend this place, guys. Oh, here's a cafe too, or it looks like. It's just a place to sit down, enjoy yourself. But I highly recommend this place, guys. It's really cool, especially it's just like a fun little day trip for you and the kids. Highly recommend it. Also, they sell fresh eggs here all the time, and they have a whole wall of fresh eggs. They're pretty reasonable. That's 16 eggs for 350 yen. They have 30 eggs for 680 yen. So guys, that was it for the mini zoo. I'll link the location below if you're looking for something fun, free to do with the kids or just by yourself in Okinawa. Come check this zoo out and make sure you support them, buy some eggs or something. Pretty nice little place. They have a lot of interesting animals and stuff. So if you like this content, you want more recommendations, you want to know about Japan, you want to know more about Okinawa, whatever it is, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because that's all I talk about here. I release a video every other day. Go ahead and like the video. And of course, if you know anyone who'd be interested in a free zoo in Okinawa, go ahead and share this to your friend. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.